Hello everyone, and today I want to show you a very easy way that you can use ChatGPT to create a sequence chart that can help you visually represent the order of steps in a process and show the different interactions in your diagram. And to do this, we're going to start by going to ChatGPT. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add our prompt, and you can ask Chat to create the sequence diagram for you, or you can paste in your own. In my case, I asked Chat GPT to create the steps for me, and I've put in a prompt here that says, provide me with the steps of how a consumer buys a product online. And this is really important as well. Add this part, make sure you show the main actors and how they interact with each other. Okay, so I'm going to enter that. And the reason we add the second part is just that we make sure that ChatGPT will add all the different steps in. You can see now that it's given us the different steps in the online purchase process. We can see that first we've got the consumer browsing and research. We know who the actor is, we know who he's interacting with, and then we've got the product selection, online checkout, and so on. Now, the next step I'm going to do is ask the mermaid code for this. Okay, and I'm going to enter that as well. And now once I've got this code, the next step I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the code, and now I'm done with the ChatGPT part. Okay, so the next thing that we need to do is go to Mermaid Live Editor. You can search for this in Google, or you can go to mermaid.live, and we're going to click on that. And once we're on the page, you'll see a section that says sample diagrams. I'm going to click on that and select sequence. So once I've selected that, I'm going to delete the code that's already there, and then I'm going to paste in the code that ChatGPT has given me, and then instantly you can see that I've got a really nice looking sequence diagram that shows me the consumer, what they're doing. They're browsing the products, selecting the products, and so on from the online store, and then they reach the payment gateway. That's the next step in the process. They need to go to the bank, credit card company, and so on. And it maps up all the different steps in the process, showing you the arrows, which way it's going, and then which direction it's flowing back, and so on. Now, just a word of warning as well, ChatGPT can sometimes give you a nice looking sequence diagram like that, and sometimes you have to play around with the prompt a little bit more to get it to give you what you want. So again, it's just a process of experimentation, but you can usually end up having a very nice looking sequence diagram that is very quite easy to make. So the last thing I want to show you is how you can download this. If you go down to the actions, and then you have an option to download it as a PNG file. However, I've found that when I do that, if I show you now and I click on it, the image turns out to be quite blurry. So I wouldn't be able to use this. So what you can do is, if you download it as an SVG file and we click on that, and then we open that, you will see that then have the same diagram, and then we can make that bigger and then take a screenshot and then insert it into whatever we want to in our presentations and so on. So I hope you found this video useful and that you give it a go creating your own sequence diagrams, and I hope to see you in the next video.